Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kastiny, I think that's how you pronounce it, Kastiny gel nail polish. They sent this to me for free to review for you guys. So if you are new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So let's get started with this video. These nail polishes are on Amazon. I believe they are $15. If they're not, I'm gonna put it on the screen. They're very decent sized nail polishes. I want to say they're close to like a full bottle, and I'm going to do a comparison to them. Okay, so this is the size of the bottle. It's very small. Well, not small, but it's like a medium size. I'm going to do a comparison to the Beetles gel nail polish. They kind of look similar a little bit. As you can see, let me zoom in. As you can see, it is a little bit more smaller in size. And I want to say the Beetles gel nail polish is 15 milliliters and the Kastiny is 7.5 milliliters. So I'm going to be reviewing these colors. They are very pretty colors. As you can see, it goes some pinks and grays, and then over here we have some pretty reds and purples. Also, before I get started, you get a glossy top coat, a base coat, and you also get a matte top coat. And that comes in each package. So if you don't have any top coats or matte top coats or base coats, then they come with each nail kit. So let's get started with swatching. I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to swatch them, and I'm going to do 2 coats, and then I'll be back at the end to show you how they all look. Okay, so I finished doing the swatches, which took me a long time, and these are the colors. They are so pretty and pigmented. I don't know if you can see it because sometimes what I see on my camera isn't what shows up when I'm editing. It's actually better. This is like a darkish gray tealish color, and then these are all grays right here. Obviously these are like pinks, but this one has like a purple undertone. This right here is a pretty red, like it's so vibrant. And this one is like a very dark purple, and this, well, you can see it a little bit, but it's like a very burgundy color. And then you have these three colors right here. But these are so pretty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. I don't know if they gave me a discount code. I'm gonna have to check my email and see if they gave me a discount code. Okay, so they did not send me a discount code, but if they do send me one, I will be sure to put the link in the description. But I hope you enjoyed this swatch video. I have one more video to film after this. These colors are so pigmented and pretty. Like, I just love gel polish colors because even if you do acrylic, like my nails that I have right now, I filmed a video on these, but these are gel polishes. I just did like a clear acrylic, and then I did like a gel polish on top. These colors are so pretty, and it's always good to have gel nail polishes because even if you don't have the acrylic color, you can use the gel nail polish inside of the monomer and make a whole totally different color. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I do vlogs, I do nail videos, I do all of that. I also have a business, so if you would like to subscribe to my, not subscribe, so if you would like to go check out my candles and buy some, I'll put the website on the page. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.